The Philippines, an archipelagic country that is geographically located on the Ring of Fire and directly adjacent to the Western Pacific Ocean. This condition makes the Philippines prone to various of disasters, especially to earthquakes and typhoons. In 2014, the Philippines became the international spotlight for its success in disaster risk reduction when Typhoon Hagupit struck. One of these disaster risk reduction efforts is through a multi-agency approach. During our visit to DOST, or Department of Science and Technology, we were able to recognize that DOST was instrumental in the prevention and mitigation stage. Through the National Operational Assessment of Hazard Flagship Project and the optimization of cooperation with several industries and universities, DOST disseminates the results of mitigation to the community in an integrated manner. A visit to the ILG, or Department of Interior and Local Government, aims to find out more about the initiation of Disaster Preparedness Program, which is Operation Listo. The focus of this program is the capacity building by conducting socialization and rehearsal to the village level or barangay, with a target of family and household readiness. The visit continued to the SWD, or Department of Social Welfare and Development, which was instrumental in disaster risk operation during emergency response as coordinator. From the SWD, we got new knowledge especially about cash or food for work and virtual absent program in early recovery. In this stage, the Philippines also receives assistance from the UN OCHA, or United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, to coordinate and mobilize international humanitarian aid at the request of the government. Furthermore, to know the implementation of rehabilitation and recovery stage, we visited NEDA, or National Economic and Development Authority, which has authority in rehabilitation and reconstruction planning and advocacy on disaster. This planning is still being done through institutional mechanisms that have been prepared based on the regional level. To find out the application of disaster risk reduction at city level, we visit Kalumpit, which is known as flood-prone area. The city already has contingency plans, establishes BDRRMC committees, socialization and preparedness training to each barangay, and builds a community-based flood mitigation management program. As has been observed, information dissemination and management of disaster risk reduction in Kalumpit has been well underway. From all visits to these institutions, we can learn that in the case of disaster management, a multi-agency approach such as NDRRMC or National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council coordination is required, so that the authorized institutions can carry out the task with a focus and integrated, synergized in disaster risk reduction efforts in a country.